Hi friends, my name is Mohit Mangal. In this video today, I will talk to you all about mass communication education in India. I will talk to you about the qualities which a candidate must possess in order to join mass communication after grade 12. I will talk to you about the degree options available in India, eligibility criteria for different courses, entrance exams at the national level for mass communication, and professions what one can get into after finishing mass communication degree program. Starting with the quality check of the candidates, one needs to be a beautiful combination of academic, people, and creative orientation in order to be part of mass communication and journalism. The candidate should be good with the languages and social sciences with affinity towards extra and versatile reading. Candidate should have flair for writing and languages and should have a inquisitive and a questioning nature with ability to work for long hours with dedication on a single issue. The degree options which are available in mass communication area could be BA in journalism, BMC, that is Bachelor of Mass Communication, Bachelor of Mass Media, Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication. Also, there is a BSc degree available in journalism and filmmaking. There are integrated degrees available, which is a BAMA integrated, or MJMC, that is Master of Journalism and Mass Communication. Eligibility criteria by and large for most of the mass communication courses remains 10+2 from any stream, be it science or commerce or arts. And the top entrance exam include St. Xavier's Bombay, which takes its own entrance test, Symbiosis Pune, Manipal University, Manipal, Christ University has its own entrance exam. Delhi University takes own entrance exam for both 3-year as well as integrated 5-year mass communication program. Indraprasth University has its own entrance exam and MSU Baroda has its own entrance exam. The professions which one can get into after finishing a degree course in mass communication could be becoming an anchor, advertiser, brand manager, blog writer, creative writer, content writer, copywriter, screenwriter, or one can become a correspondent, director, editor, filmmaker. One can also get into things like fashion communication designer, journalist, media programmer, photojournalist, PR specialist, reporter, or a visual merchandiser. I hope this video gives you some insight about mass communication as a course and field to practice in India. If you have any questions related to this, please feel free to put your question in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer.
To know about the best colleges in India along with their rankings, you can pick up a career handbook related to this vertical from www.mohitmangal.com. You can also connect with us for personal career counseling. You can speak to my office at 7600 You can connect with me on social media at Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. My ID is IQUEMOHIT. Thank you.